Good morning, guys. Finally, I have decided to sell my Ritz. It has given a pleasant experience for 6 months, but first of all, keeping two hatchbacks doesn't make sense. Also, another problem with Ritz is the rusting problem, and my car was suffering from rust. All the doors have got rusted severely, so heavy rusting repair work was required. So that was also another reason why I decided to dispose it off rather than painting a 13-year-old car. And since the government has already issued an order, although it is not official, but very soon all these 15 years old cars are to be scrapped. So that is also another reason why I decided to sell it off. This car was primarily purchased for my learner driver son who has completed his test successfully. So we decided to upgrade our car and don't want to invest that much. We will add some more money and go for a newer car, and especially a sedan or like that. So I have given an ad in the OLX and let's see how much offer we get, and if we get a good offer I will dispose the car. So let's see what happens. Good afternoon, guys. Finally I am disposing my Ritz car, and it has been 6 months of very joyous experience with this particular car, and the car is in very good condition, and I was looking to sell to somebody directly to a owner, so I was a bit lucky one, and he will be the new owner of this car. Hope he enjoys the car like me. So that's it. So finally departing my car, and these are all the papers, and he is going to be the new owner of the car.
Thank you very much.
So thank you, my friend, and goodbye.
Thank you.